Hey folks, just want to let you know the current direction of my COVID-19 response. I do have 4 3D printers in the house. Right now I'm printing face shield bands. I decided to stop doing the face mask for, well, I've never started doing the face mask for the hospitals. These were for individuals. This is for my family. I do have a couple extras that I plan to give my neighbors, so they will be safe as well. Their safety is my safety, if you understand that. Now these little face masks, face shields that I'm printing out, these are what I'm going to be donating to the hospitals. We already know that New York, the large metropolitan areas, are demanding everything they can get a hold of. We already know that Governor Cuomo is demanding 30,000 respirators. He's been demanding that for last week. And he's sucking the system dry. They are taking everything from face masks, face shields, respirators, you name the medical supply, they're taking it. So the 3D printer community has stepped up. This company called Prussia, which does many really good printers and has some great software for 3D printers, they came out with this face shield design. Uses a minimal amount of filament to print, and it costs about $1 each. I can print one of these in about an hour. I got 4 printers going. Some of them's faster than others, and I can do about 4 an hour. When I get 50 of these bands printed up, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. By the end of the day, I'll have enough that I'm going to contact a local clinic or hospital and see if they need any of these currently. If not, I will continue printing these until I am exhausted of printing, and I will make clinics and hospitals aware that I do have a supply on hand that I can deliver to them. Now, if you would like to help me out, again, I am funding this all out of my own pocket, using my own materials, using my own machines, using the power from my house to print these out. I am doing something for my community. That being said, if you would like to help me help my community out, you can send me a donation. And I will focus strictly on Sedgwick County, which contains Wichita, and Butler County, where I live. I will also look towards Cowley County, which is just south of me by a few miles. I cannot obviously supply the entire world, but I can do a pretty good job of helping my community where it's needed most. Now, if you would like to send me some funds through PayPal, you can use my email address. That's impact9, that's IMPACT9 @gmail.com. That's my PayPal account. You can send money through Facebook Messenger. That ties directly to my bank account. Just let me know what you would like that money used for. Now, I don't know if I went over this yet, but the face shields, a pack of 100 of these face shields, runs right at $10. I've already spent $20 there. The filaments, like I've said, I don't know if I said it in this video, but they run about $25 to $35 depending on supply and demand. My favorite filament is going to be the 3D Solutech. It is a little bit more expensive, but you get what you pay for when it comes to 3D filaments. If you want a better quality product, you spend the money and get the better quality product. Now, there is wear and tear on printers as well. The printing nozzles, which are these things right here on the very bottom, those things wear out. That piece right there will wear out, and that is frequently replaced. Those run about $5 a piece. The belts on the machine can wear out. The motors on the machines can wear out. Everything on these machines can wear out because they are functioning machines. They do move, and there's a lot of wear and tear. I do keep a few spare parts on hand simply because they do get kind of pricey. So if you can help me out with funds there, that'd be amazing as well. So again, my PayPal is impact9 @gmail.com. And again, you can reach me through Messenger. You can send me funds through Messenger. Nice thing about Messenger is they don't charge a fee for sending funds if it's a gift. Now, I'm not sure how PayPal has changed, but I know that they were doing that as well. But for larger donations, they did charge a fee, and that's not cool either when it's a donation. Now, I'm not a 301 organization. I'm just an individual person trying to do something positive for my community. And if you can help me out, that'd be fantastic. Thank you all very much.